Alright, I'm going to try to take a little bit better video this time of me starting up the grill. So what we have here, we have an alcohol grill. You fill it up back here on this little nozzle right here. You open and close the fuel into the two burners right here. So it's also where you pump up the fuel to get compression into the tank so that fuel will actually reach the burners. Here is one, and here is the second controls for each one of the two burners. And they go open and close. So you just turn to the left to open it, put more heat, and you turn it to the right to close it. So to start it, the first thing you got to do is you got to prime the stove. So both have to be closed, both controls have to be closed, and then you give 15 pumps on the prime. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Once you're done priming it, you open up the control and you let the fuel, see the fuel is running out right now, and you let it fill up the bottom of the pan about a quarter to halfway. And this is how you prime the burner. So now it's full. It's going to take a little while, so it's almost all the way full down to the bottom of the pan here. Now you light it and you let it burn off. This will heat up the top of the burner so that when you go to start the burner after you got it primed, that it will start up right away and all the alcohol will burn off properly. Oops, didn't get that one started. Let's try it again. Gotta get it out of the wind. Let me see here. Of course, you know, can't work under pressure. Now you can see it. There's flames shooting up all over the place. And you have to wait for all that fuel to burn off, which will oxygenate the alcohol in the system so that it burns smoothly. So this will take a few minutes. And I hope I'm getting this on video. Almost there. 1 minute, Corey. Alright, now that all the fuel is burned off at the base of the pan, you will go ahead and open the burner. You can hear the alcohol bubbling out, but it's not liquid anymore. There. Now it's burning away. The big selling point back in the 70s and the 80s was to get propane into your boat instead of alcohol, because they said it was easy to use, and they said it burned taller, which is probably true, but it wasn't as safe. And we all know what happened after that. Everybody replaced their propane, everybody replaced their alcohol stoves with propane, and now, in the years since then, I believe over 400 boats have blown up since they've accidentally left their propane open, or maybe they had a hole in their propane system. The keel of the boat has filled up with propane. Somebody's lit a match or some other kind of spark, and the boat's blown up. So I hope everybody enjoyed this video, and I will shut it down, and we'll see you next time. Alright, bye-bye.